Profiling told us exactly what's wrong with our data. Now, we fix it in the data cleansing section. MatchLogic gives us two ways to work in: the basic mode, the grid we will use here, and the advanced mode, a flow builder, which we will cover later. And in both modes there is an AI that can suggest cleansing for us. Let's put to work. This is basic cleansing, a grid, with all our fields down the side and every operation across the top. Normally we'd go field by field and decide what each one needs. But instead, I'll click Suggest Cleansing and let MatchLogic analyze the whole dataset for us. And here's what comes back: Suggested Cleansing. The AI has read every field, recognized the problems, and recommended exactly what each one needs. Notice each suggestion even carries a confidence score indicating how sure it is about that call. But read the line at the top: apply only what you accept. This is the important part. The AI suggests, but nothing is applied until we say so. Let's go through them. For street, it detected a postal address and wants to route it to the address parser, breaking it into street number, direction, suffix, and more. That's exactly right. Accept. For zip, a 98% confidence. It spotted a composite postal code and wants to split it into its primary, add-on, and country parts. Accept. Then a set of standardizations. Proper case for our personal name fields: city, first name, last name. Trim, to clean white space across another 5 fields. And lowercase for email at 99%, because an email should be normalized, never decomposed. All correct. Accept them. Now, here's what I don't want. It's suggesting uppercase for country and state. But I have a better plan for country. I'm going to standardize it with a dictionary, not just uppercase it. So I'll reject this one with the cross. And that's the whole point. The AI is fast and it's smart, but I stay in control. I take the suggestions that fit, and I drop the ones that don't. There's even one the AI is honest about. Down here you can see a suggestion that needs your input. It's detected that our company field needs to be split, but that split requires a custom regex pattern it can't safely guess. So it's flagging it for me to build by hand, rather than getting it wrong. That's an AI that knows its limits. Once I've made my decisions, I'll click Add to Grid, and watch. Every accepted operation drops straight into the grid, ticked and ready. What would have been several minutes of field-by-field setup just happened in one pass. Now I'll layer my own judgment on top, the part the AI left to me. First, we'll look at the phone field. The numbers here are in every imaginable format. Some have dashes, others have brackets, and some even have dots in them. I'll select Remove Symbols from the phone row, so that we have a clean format for the phone numbers. Next, Source System. I want these values to read consistently, so I'll use Find and Replace on that field. Here, we'll find CRM and replace it with ERP. This is the kind of correction you can't rely on AI for. Lastly, we'll look at the country field. I'll open Vocabulary Governance and apply our country dictionary. Every spelling and variant now resolves to a single standard value, and anything unrecognized gets flagged. There you have it. The AI just handled the routine, obvious fixes in seconds, and we add the decisions that need a human. At the top, you can see that MatchLogic is tracking it all, 17 fields, and a live count of the active rules. Let's look at a few controls before we run it. The Reset button clears everything to start over, and Cleansing Rules is a drop-down of our more advanced rules. Manage Vocabulary, where our dictionaries live and can be reused. Parser rules like the address and zip parsers, and merge fields for combining columns into a new one. And Export takes the cleansed data out when we're done. Now I'll click Apply Rules, and MatchLogic runs every operation across the whole dataset at once. And there's our result. You can see personal names in proper case, email lowercased, white space trimmed across the board, phone stripped to one clean shape, source system reading consistently, and country standardized through our dictionary. Same data, but every field is now consistent and ready to match. That's basic cleansing. The AI suggests what's needed, you decide what to apply, and the whole dataset is standardized in a single pass. When you need to chain operations or build a reusable pipeline, that's the Advanced Flow Builder, which we'll cover next.